Hello and welcome to Lydia Hawk Designs. We're going to go over how to thread and wind the bobbins for the Singer Confidence Quilter model 7469 and similar models. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how to use the automatic needle threader. And if you have a Singer machine with this attachment and have always wondered what it is because you don't have a manual to go with your machine, you don't have access to a manual, this is what it is. And it's going to save you a lot of time and it's neat. Let's start with winding the bobbin. You're going to take your thread, you're going to go underneath this metal lip here. Then you're going to go between the screw and the metal plate that the screw is on. You're going to go around that twice and then bring your thread through the hole in your bobbin, and that will be the top of the bobbin so that you can hold the thread. You're going to place it on the metal rod all the way down until it snaps into place. Then push that rod all the way to the right and then press your sewing machine pedal to wind the bobbin full. Don't go past the metal edges or the plastic edges of your bobbin. And when you're done, just remember to slide the metal rod to the left before taking it off, and then you won't forget and wonder why your sewing machine's not working. To thread your needle, you're going to go again under that metal lip. Then you're going to go underneath the silver rod next to it. Then you're going to bring it under this plastic lip and then back up towards the top of the machine. And that lever, if you move the wheel on the right side of the machine, you'll see that lever go up and down. You want to go around the lip of that lever so that it hooks underneath the lever, and then back down, and then you will insert it in the loop above your needle. And now we're going to use the automatic needle threader. Take your thread, bring it underneath this metal hook on the attachment you see here. Use your right hand to hold that thread under the hook, and then with your left hand, take that white tab and press it all the way down, and then press it back towards the back of the machine. And those two little metal pieces will fit right on either side of the needle. If it doesn't, it means your needle has not been installed properly and you might need to take it out. You always want to make sure that the flat edge of the needle is towards the back of the machine. From here, you're going to hook your thread. Of the two metal pieces that fit right on either side of the needle, the right side has a little hook on it, and you want to bring your thread up and around the hook on that right side metal tab. After you do that, continue pressing the white tab down, but now move the lever towards you and you'll see a hole. You'll see that it has pulled back the thread and there's a loop. Don't let go of the tab. Go ahead and let go of the thread. And then in my case here, I'm using a cleaning brush. Use something that will go into that loop and then pull it all the way through. And that's how you use the automatic needle threader on your Singer sewing machine. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time.